Every month, I make over $37,000 in passive income. The reason I wanted to make passive income in the first place was because I did not want to work a 9-to-5 job until I retire like most people do. And I assume if you're watching this video, you rather have complete freedom and not be tied down to a job. And if you're like me, the last thing you want to worry about is your bank account balance and if you can afford to do the things you truly desire. But thankfully, in this video, I'll be sharing exactly how I make over $37,000 a month in passive income. If you're willing to put in the hours every single day and commit to this like I did, this can also be possible for you. Let's start with my first passive income stream that makes me $7,700 every single month, which is my real estate investments. I currently own 3 townhomes and I'm renting out 2 of them for $2,600 a month and 1 of them for $2,500 a month. So every month, the tenants pay me rent and I'll use that money to pay down any expenses and then I profit the rest. I consider real estate to be one of the best investments and I plan on purchasing 5 properties every single year. Most people think you need a lot of money to start investing in real estate, but that's not always the case, and let me explain why. With real estate, you get leverage, which means that you can borrow money to purchase a property, so you don't have to use your own money. Let's say you want to purchase a $300,000 home, so you go to the bank and then you ask for a loan on that home. That loan would be called a mortgage, and let's say the bank requires you to make an upfront payment of $15,000 on the property, and then they're going to pay for the rest. But then you're required to pay them back on a monthly basis, and let's say they require you to pay them back $1,400 every single month until your loan is paid off. Well then now you can go and rent out that property for $2,000 a month, and so that $2,000 can cover your mortgage payment and any other expenses. And the best part is, long term, the value of your home is expected to increase. So your $300,000 home could be worth $450,000 in a few years. Then at that point, you could go to the bank and figure out the best way to pull cash out of that house. You can do this with a cash out refinance or equity line of credit. But the main point is, since you can take money out of the home in the future, you can go ahead and use that money to purchase more rental properties and repeat this process. And with time, all your properties end up being paid off and they make you passive income every single month. This is literally a cheat code to building wealth. I plan to own 20 rental properties by the time I turn 24, and I will be documenting the process on this channel. Moving on to my next passive income stream that makes me around $200 every single month, which is dividend stocks. A dividend is a payment you get for investing in certain stocks. For example, if you invest $10,000 in a stock that pays a 4% dividend, that means that you would get paid $400 every year in dividends without doing anything. As of right now, I have about $55,000 invested in TD Bank stock, and that makes me about $200 every single month. And sure, $200 is not a lot of money, but over time, the more money I invest, the more I'll make in dividends. A few of my favorite dividend stocks are TD Bank, BMO, Coca-Cola, and Johnson & Johnson. If you do plan on buying dividend stocks, I recommend you invest a certain amount of money every single month. For example, you should make it a plan to invest $100 every single month in certain dividend stocks, and this will compound nicely over time. Now moving on to my next stream of passive income, which is coming soon, which is my automated dropshipping business. Now, in case you don't know what dropshipping is, it's basically when you create an online store using the Shopify website. Then you get cheap products from a wholesaler and sell them on your store for a lot more money. And when someone comes to your store and purchases a product, that product would get shipped out directly from the wholesaler to your customer. So you're just the middleman, you don't see or touch the product, but you'll still make a profit. Now, the dropshipping business model does require a lot of work. However, there is a way to make it a completely passive business. One of my biggest goals this year is to start a brand new dropshipping store and scale it using TikTok. And eventually, I'd like to hire people that can help me turn the business into a completely passive income stream. My goal would be to make $4,000 a month in profit from this, and I will be documenting the process on this channel. And if you do want to create a Shopify store, you can actually try Shopify for $1 for the next 3 months using the link in the description of this video. And if you do want more guidance on how to start dropshipping, I do have a dropshipping mentorship where I teach you the exact steps that you can take in order to be successful. You'll have my support and my team's support throughout the entire process. Many of my students have been successful and made thousands of dollars. So if you want to apply to the mentorship, the link will be in the description of this video. Now moving on to my next stream of passive income that makes me over $15,000 every single month, which is affiliate marketing. Now this did require me to put a lot of work up front, but eventually it paid off since now it's completely passive. How affiliate marketing works is you promote a brand's products or services with a unique link that you're given. And if someone clicks on your link and signs up, you would make a commission. For example, in the description of this video, I have a link where you can sign up to Shopify for $1. If you sign up with that link, I will make a commission. Now, I make a lot of my affiliate income from promoting different links on my YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok account. However, for most people, they don't have a large following on their social media accounts. But thankfully, there is another way you can make money with affiliate marketing, even if you don't have a large audience. How this would work is you would first pick a topic that you want to talk about and find affiliate links related to that topic. For example, the topic you could pick is print on demand. Next, you would create content related to your topic on your different social media accounts. Here is a video I made using different stock images and videos. And thankfully, in your videos, you do not have to show your face. So I could post this video on my TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and Pinterest account, and I could make videos like this on a daily basis. And so the goal is to get a ton of views on your videos. That way you can funnel people to your affiliate links. And sure, you have to start from zero with no followers, but eventually with time and consistency, I'm sure you can reach over 10,000 followers. If you're looking for more guidance on how to start this, I do have an affiliate marketing course that teaches you my exact step-by-step strategy that enables me to make over $15,000 each month. So if you want to join the course, the link will be in the description of this video. Now moving on to my next stream of passive income, which makes me around $15,000 to $30,000 every single month, which is this YouTube channel. This is more of a semi-passive income stream, and let me explain why. So with YouTube, you don't have to continuously be posting in order to get paid. For example, a video I posted last year is still making me money every single day. And if I stopped posting videos for 1 year on this channel, I would still be getting paid from my older videos. So sure, it's not completely passive, but there are ways you can turn it into a business that is 90% passive, potentially by hiring a YouTube manager. And it's honestly never been easier than now to start a successful channel. And if you do want to start this, I recommend you upload YouTube Shorts first, since those tend to get a lot more views. And eventually, once you have a decent amount of subscribers, then you can start posting long videos, and that's what will pay you the most. Now, my next stream of passive income, which is coming soon, is an Airbnb property. I think this is one of the best ways to make passive income because just one Airbnb in the right location can make you over $100,000 every single year. Now, since I've begun my real estate investing journey, I also want to start Airbnb. And so my goal is to purchase one Airbnb in the next few months. And the process to starting this is similar to buying a rental property. So you would of course go to the bank and try to get a mortgage on the property. And every month you would pay down the mortgage and expenses and profit the rest. Now, the nice thing with Airbnb is it can make you a lot more money than a rental property. The reason for this is with Airbnb, you can charge on a nightly basis. For example, you could charge $200 per night, and in 1 month, that would be $6,000. So as long as you find a property in the right location, I don't see why you won't be successful with this. And the way to truly make this a passive income stream is to hire an Airbnb property manager. They would only take a 20% commission and take care of everything for you. And that's all for my passive income streams. I'll see you in the next video.